Introducing MyVideoTalk's revolutionary dual-core double binary compensation plan. With 9 ways to get paid, you're simply minutes away from opening the door to profits that could pay you up to $35,000 every single week. Number 1. Fast Start Bonuses. Purchase a Business Builder package and start earning unlimited $100 Fast Start retail bonuses for every Business Builder package you personally sell. Number 2. Unlimited Team Builder Bonuses. Building team members on your left and right side gets you unlimited Team Builder bonuses. Every time someone you enroll on your left or right side sells a Business Builder package, they make $100, you make $25. Number 3. Executive Bonus. MyVideoTalk will send you a $200 executive bonus every time you help 2 people get to, one on the left and one on the right. Number 4. Weekly Cycle Bonus. Every time your team generates 720 in weekly sales volume on the left or right side and 360 weekly sales volume on the other side, regardless of which side has the greater volume, you earn a weekly cycle bonus of $100. This can happen every day, even multiple times each day. Our computer searches for accumulated volume and automatically generates your cycle bonuses. Number 5. Check Matching Bonus. MyVideoTalk takes all the sales volume generated every week and puts it into a special bonus pool. Representatives achieve a commission cycle benefit from this bonus pool by receiving a check matching bonus reward of up to 50% in addition to their cycle payout for a total of up to $150 per cycle. Number 6. Leadership Bonus. Here's some icing on the cake. Based on your weekly cycles and as a reward for building a MyVideoTalk team, you could win electronics, trips, cars, even a house fund. In fact, we've already given out hundreds of iPads. Now that's exciting. Number 7. Sales Office Bonus. MyVideoTalk wants you to accelerate your income. Based on qualifications, MyVideoTalk will pay 50% of the security deposit for a team office, up to $2,500, and up to $700 in office rent. You'll also receive private training for your team office from MyVideoTalk every month. That's powerful. Number 8. President's Weekly Club Bonus. MyVideoTalk rewards you for being successful, helping others, and making money. For this, you'll get international recognition as a Star President's Club member, which qualifies you for bonuses like trips to California, Australia, and matching $25,000 bonuses in any pay period where you earn $25,000. This is what we call the 25K phenomenon. And number 9. Monthly Binary Matrix Bonuses. Imagine earning a monthly residual income of up to $150,000 on top of your weekly bonus checks without any extra effort on your part. This translates into financial freedom fast. Here's how it works. MyVideoTalk tracks your entire organization's sales to infinity. Every Business Builder package that your entire team sells earns you 1 point, regardless if you were the one to sell it. For every 3 points you have on one side, with a corresponding 6 points on the other side, earns you $25. Since MyVideoTalk grows so fast and so virally, it's easy to see how rich and rewarding our comp plan is. A plan that pays out 77% and up to $150,000 in monthly binary matrix bonuses. Add that to your weekly checks, and your dreams could come true overnight. Imagine having an extra $1,000 to $35,000 every single week to spend, along with the added monthly binary matrix bonus. Get started at MyVideoTalk today and get access to the coolest internet email, video, and conferencing tools and technology on the planet.